I have a space for action items for things that need to be dealt with online research, filing, magazines I want to read, etc. Do you think I should break that down further? Oh, I would definitely break that down further. Okay, so here's what I do. This is for the person that asked the question and anybody else, actually. So I have manila folders. It's my favorite thing, right? I have a ton of manila folders because I'm a visual person and I need the visual reminders. So I have a folder that says to read. I have a folder that says research online. And I have one more folder and I can't remember what it is. So I have three manila, what do you call those? They're not manila folders, but the folders. Maybe they are manila folders. I don't really know, but I have three of them. And those, the research and the reading I do on Sunday. Sunday's my planning day. If you've been with me for a while, you know this about me. That's where I'm on the couch for a few hours. We watch sports. My husband and I are huge sports fans, and baseball is coming back. I'm so excited. It's one of my favorite sports to watch. And we'll watch sports together. And that's when I'll do my reading. And that's when I'll do my research online. And I make sure both of those files are on the table right next to my spot in the family room. I don't have to worry about it, that it's not going to get done because it has a designated to be completed day. I have a day that's designated right to those two files, right? The research and the read. Oh, recipes. That's the third folder. I have a recipes folder. So I have a designated day for those three files, the reading, the research, and the recipes. So when I do my meal planning, my new recipes or post-it notes for recipes that are online that I want to look at, they're all in that folder. And I'll do my entire menu. And then I can set that folder off to the side because it's done, right? Then if I want to do some research, I'll grab the online research folder and I'll just span through anything on there that is a high action item that needs to be researched as soon as possible, is just a fun research item. I have my online shopping items in there so I can order everything on Sunday in one bulk order to save on shipping or maybe to get free shipping. That's all in that online folder. I go through, do the things that need to be done. Then I set it off to the side. I know it's done. I don't have to touch it again for 7 days, and I can fill it throughout the week. And then finally, the to read file. It's easier to read on baseball and golf sporting events that I watch, not so much on football, but it allows me to go in there and at least prioritize things. Now, if I have something that's very important to read, I put it on my bedside table. I put it right there because before I go to bed, it is right on top. It's a visual reminder for me to go through that reading and to get it done. So it's not so much how you're sorting it or organizing it. It's the next step. It's where you are putting those things to remind you to follow through and complete them. So it's that area that makes the most sense for you. So I kid you not, this is TMI, but if I have something I want my husband to read, I'll put it in the bathroom. I know it's going to get read there. So I'll put it right in his bathroom and I know it's going to get taken care of. So you have to make sure you're putting things that need to be done in an area that will remind you visually to get them done. But anyhow, it's not the filing or the way you have things organized. It's where you're putting the files to make sure things get done. So hopefully that helps you out. So that was our Q&A. All done.